Good day everyone. Good day sir. My name is Thomas Lal V. Algisela Jr. I'm from BSMT 3-6. The novel I choose is the title The Old Man at Sea and the story Courage and Perseverance by Ernest Hemingway. The story takes place in a small fishing village near Havana, Cuba. It follows Santiago and the old fisherman who has not caught single fish in 84 days. The villagers see him as unlucky, but one young boy named Manolin still believes in him. The boy used to fish with Santiago, but his parents forced him to join a more successful boat. Still, he helps the old man with food and bait, showing his deep and respect and love. On the 85th day, Santiago decided to sail farther than ever before, hoping to end his unlucky streak. Alone, in his small skiff, he ventures deep into the Gulf Stream. After waiting, he hooked an enormous marlin larger than his boat itself. The fish is so strong that he pulls Santiago's boat for 2 long days and nights. Despite the pain in his hands and the exhaustion in his body, Santiago refused to give up. He took the fish, calling his brother, admiring his strength and dignity. The old man sees that Marlin is not an enemy, but as a worthy opponent in a battle of endurance and respect. On the 3rd day, Santiago finally gathers all his strength, skills, and marlin with his harpoon. He tries to massive fish to side of his boat and begins his journey home. But the victory is short-lived. The blood of Martin attack sharks one by one. They attack Santiago, fight them of his harpoon, then with a club, and finally with the boat tailor. But there are too many. By the time he reached shore, the shark had eaten the marlin, leaving only his skeleton. Completely exhausted, Santiago carried his mask, symbolizing the burden of struggle, up to the small shark. He falls asleep, dreaming once again of a lion. The African beaches, a symbol of his lost youth and enduring spirit. The next morning, villagers sees again skeleton tied of his boat and realizing the greatness of the battle. Manolin's heartbroken but proud who wants fish in Santiago again. The old man sees in the story of courage, perseverance, and dignity, and struggle Hemingway shows that the true victory does not always came from success or reward. Sometimes it came from the endurance and impossible and never give up. Santiago may have lost the marlin, but he wins something far greater than respect of others and quiet triumph of his own spirit.